G'day, champions. It's that time of year again. It's dry July, day one. I am going to try and share my experiences trying non-alcoholic beverages. So I'm going to annoy you with non-amp related, non-guitar related content. And I'm going to try and get some charity money out of you. It's what I'm kind of becoming known for on this channel. But, you know, if we can help other people out, champions, we do our best. So today we've got Gage Rhodes. Yeah, boy. It's a non-alcoholic XPA. Less than 0.5%. All the non-alcoholics are less than 0.5. I think it's difficult for them to get to zero without them tasting like arse. That's what I suspect anyway. So we'll crack this one open, have a go. We'll see if we can find 30 new ones this month. 31 new ones this month. I forget how many days are in the friggin' month. Okay. ASMR. That sounds nice, doesn't it? So it's pale. It's a little bit cloudy. Carbonation is not very foamy. It's sort of bubbly, which is often the case I've found in past experiences with these ones. So on the nose, tastes the part, smells the part. God, not even drunk. A little bit of pineapple-y. Cleanse the palate. It's not bad. It's very light. Very light. It's always tough having beers like this in winter because you want a real heavy, thick beer, nice mouthfeel and whatever. But that can be difficult to find in the non-alcoholics. But we'll go for a second. We'll go with Mum's rule of 3 sips. It's not bad. A little bit passion fruity. You can tell they're really trying to push in the XPA sort of tropical flavors there. It's pretty light. It's got a pretty dry mouthfeel. So I'm going to be a bit harder on them this time. So I reckon that's only a 5 out of 10. But it's not bad. Again, it'd be better in summer. Not very good in winter. But there's nothing offensive about it. I like a real heavy, strong, hard beer. But a lot of people would probably be happier than that with the stuff that I like. So it's not bad, but it's only a 5. It's not blowing my skirt up. So I'll take you over to the page. We'll have a look. Here we go. So dry July, here's my donation page. I haven't raised 1.3 million. That's the that's the overall organization. So here's my page. Of course, I got the Japanese whiskey. Here's a photo I took on the last night in Japan. We're up to $321.80 already. Target I've just set to 1,000. And target 31 days. We've already had some good donations here from you bloody legends. Thanks, Alex. Thanks, Juan. Thanks, anonymous person, and thank you, myself. So that's our donations recently. Here's my previous years. 2021 raised 1,400. 2022 only pulled 500. I'm not sure what happened there. I think that's the year I started doing the videos, but no one really. I think everyone was pulling in the purse strings a little bit with COVID still floating around. 2023 we smashed at 2575. If I make 1,000, even if I make 500, I'll be happy. I know things are getting tighter and tighter every year, so I don't hold it against you if you can't donate. In fact, I don't even want you to donate if you're not 100% comfortable financially with doing so. What you can do though for free is share around my silly videos, and this one will be the first introductory one, a little bit more boring, but the other ones I'll try and make them more entertaining, so you get something out of it, you know, and you share them around, have a laugh, poke fun at me, tell me I'm a dickhead, you know, all the stuff you normally do anyway. So here's my page. You can donate to me here. It's tax deductible. I've selected Dry July Foundation as the recipient. Now you can choose an individual organization, or you can choose Dry July, who individually just distributes it out to the individual organization, so everyone gets a little piece of the pie. I figure that's probably a good idea. And if any aren't sort of pulling their weight in terms of people selecting them to donate to, then Dry July can pick up the slack and even it out a little bit, spread it around like butter. So that's the foundation it's going to. They're a well-known registered foundation. You don't have to be worried about any of that. All the payments are secure. And they've got the stories here of people they've helped. Mum has been declared, what's the word? In remission, which is fantastic. She's fought it, she won. And hopefully this foundation can help out a lot of people. Every other year we're going to a funeral for someone that's passed away from cancer. Everyone knows someone that's been affected by it, even if it's they've fought it and won, it still sets you back significantly in life. And this foundation helps people to catch up a bit. So if you don't mind, champions, chuck a couple of bucks in. If you can't chuck a couple of bucks in, share my videos around, and that doesn't cost you a cent. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Where's the button? God damn it.